Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to yet another reaction here. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. My name is TT and I am from Botswana. Okay, so here I am reacting to Sophia and Annatoria. Yeah, gospel music. So what can I say? Let's get to it.
Look up and see, it's just a season. Tell me, do you still have that breath in your lungs and that rhythm on your heart? Have you still got that song on your tongue and that pen in your palms? Have you still got that mind in you, that grind in you, that climb in you? Let me tell you what time can do. Actually, let me tell you about just the roots. About the tree season of waiting before the first shoot, where nobody had seen the flower, nobody had acknowledged the tree. The foundations are built where nobody can see. First came the seed, but then it grew within ground, where there was no crowd, no crown, no congratulations. The mightier the tree, the deeper the foundation and the roots have to be. We ask ourselves, why are we still waiting? Instead of, what are we rooting in? The people yet to root for you, they will come. But the greatest tree had to be unseen for a while for it to become the one. Do not give up, my love, stay looking up. Stay tough if you need trust. Then come to where we load up in God. Hands on your lungs, if they still move up, then so we must. If even the dust will rise into life, how much more us who are already alive? So I ask again, tell me, do you still have that breath in your lungs? Then you still have life to spend it on. See, it's just a season. Look up and see, it's just a season. Tarira wone, tarira wone. Tarira wone, tarira wone.
Yeah, this is a beautiful song.
Look up and see, it's just a season.
Yeah, this is Zimbabwe's finest.
Despite how we spend the night, has the light ever taken a side that isn't ours? Has the sun ever even once denied you a morning? Just as dusk has never missed us, God has promised to never skip us. And that's the only thing he can't do. He can't break his promise. If he said it, then it is just trusting the author of timing's timing can only be perfect. The wait can only be worth it. And sometimes I know it feels like the morning is crawling, like you're knocking on the doors of your calling and nobody cares or nobody is there. You're in these crowds feeling so alone in your fears. You're adding 1 + 1 and getting -2. You feel stuck in a relationship that is no good to you. You feel like you're running, going backwards, trying whilst retracting away from your bloom. But can I tell you how the spring works inside of you? How it's tension that makes the stem tear and the flower fly. How even the sun has to shatter for it to shine. And even our eyes have to split to take in the light. You have survived, haven't you? Haven't you? Survived every day you thought you couldn't. Survived every conversation you thought you wouldn't. Survived every person who took from your persons and every person who took from your peace. God lights our path and gives us the knees to walk away and walk towards what we are called for. And if you feel...
Yo, totally forgot that this is a reaction. Okay, guys, what can I say? It's gospel music. The video is brilliant. The music,
like you have been stagnant? No.
This is something
just
else.
Lessons waiting to be learnt in the still. And if you feel like your cup of hope is running dry, you take your right hand, put it on your chest, left side, and feel how even a heartbeat takes a pause. Even a heartbeat takes a pause for it to pump right. If you still got breath, then you still got time. You are more than fine, my love, you are alive. And should you forget, allow me to remind you to just breathe. Remember, breathe. Remember, breathe. If you still have breath, you still have time. Respect, you came with something great inside you, waiting to wake inside you. There is a light, there is a truth, and there is a way trying to find you. And if you forget, let me remind you to just breathe. Remember, breathe. Remember, breathe.
Look up and see, it's just a season. Look up and see, it's just a season. Ah. If you got breath in your lungs, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. Oh. Look up and see, it's just a season. Look up and see, it's just a season. Look up and see, it's just a season.
Yeah. Beautiful stuff, man.
Look up and see, it's just a season. Look up and see, it's just a season.
You know, somebody recently said, God is very creative. And usually when people are doing gospel music, they don't go all out, because also like people are like, why are you being so flashy, spending all this money onto this like production and stuff like that. I don't know, it just feels like there's a lot of pressure, especially as a Christian, to like be creative. And it's good to see creativity and people exploring or using their creative minds to build something so beautiful like a video set that is just honoring to God, and like reminding people of God that, you know, the fact that you are breathing, you know, you are alive, you are good. Obviously, yes, you're going through some things, but you are breathing, man. Celebrate that. If there's nothing else you think you cannot celebrate in your life, at least celebrate that you are still breathing. And it's creative, it's beautiful, everything is just like perfect. So yeah, I think that it's good to see Christian artists doing, you know, all those things now, that people in the world or people who sing secular music have the freedom to be celebrated in their creativity without them fearing to be criticized of why they're being so flashy and spending all this money on productions and stuff like that, while Christians are just doing the bare minimum to worship a God who is so creative, and he's done everything in this world in details, knows the number of your hair, or the numbers on top of your head. Anyway, you get what I mean. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.